All right, guys, I want to do a quick XRP analysis because this thing is straight booming. Now, this isn't DD by any means. This isn't due diligence. I'm just doing a technical analysis on this thing. I'm a technical trader, so that is why we are doing that. Looking at XRP here, man, I mean, it is recently tapped into all-time highs. Now, knowing a little bit of the DD, I know that the inauguration is soon. It's in 4 days as of the making of this video. That should pump crypto. I know XRP is also going through some SEC filings right now from the prior commissioner, Gary Gensler, and I think some of those are getting relinquished or something. I'll do more DD. I don't really give a shit. I can read the charts and tell you that this thing looks like it's cooking, okay, through my experience. Now, looking at this here, you know, we had just tapped all-time highs today. Prior all-time high was around $3 and about 32 cents, $3.3170. And recently, we've been seeing an influx in volume. Now, if you take a look here, I did alert on my Instagram how I was buying more of this thing 2 days ago around the time we were looking like this. I said I was loading up. Now, this isn't because we have this a fucking bull pennant here or anything like this. This is just me denoting the structure, right? Sequential higher lows and sequential lower highs coming to a squeeze point. I also looked internally here using my methodologies, right? I noticed how we were holding this daily imbalance, right? We were holding this daily fair value gap, price tapped into it, and then we reverse off of that, pushing us higher. We also had low resistance liquidity, which is that trend line above, or areas for price to draw towards, and then past that, the ultimate draw on liquidity was going to be all-time highs. So now that we're sitting here, it's getting really interesting. I kind of want to spend a little bit of time maybe trying to find projections for this, potential price targets, and just, you know, kind of talk about my plan as well. So I am in this thing. I believe my average is under $2. I've been in this thing since about 57 cents. You know, I took a lot of profits when we got the first pump to like $2, and then I let it do the rest of its thing there. As it started to consolidate and crypto market kind of chilled out and Bitcoin was hovering at like 90K and just not really going anywhere, that's when I decided to load up on XRP. There's just so many things coming our way here, right? I think the inauguration is going to be the big one. Trump is extremely pro crypto, and if you look at the charts from a technical perspective, I mean, if you look at just the futures, look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is tapping 100K like nobody's business. It's holding this 90 to 92K floor like an absolute demigod. And then if you look at Ethereum as well, it's also reclaiming its structure. And then if you zoom out on Ethereum, we are also seeing somewhat of a squeeze structure, but it's on the weekly chart. So that could imply that we're really ready to go. Who knows, right? We're not going to speculate too much. We're just going to look at the technicals. And then Solana looks fantastic. It's going to be respective to Bitcoin and Ethereum. So my plan going forward with this, I kind of want to spend time and look at some projections here. I think the way we're currently sitting now, looking at standard deviation projections, you know, 372, it takes me up there, but that's not a lot I can rock with. Fundamentally, I like this thing around $5 to 10. I like the way it's looking. I like the way it's cooking. Now, where we're currently sitting, we do have to be cognizant that since we're in a current push, you know, we have to be cognizant of a pullback, right? Stocks move in waves, crypto moves in waves, everything moves in waves. It's just basic. It's a combination of supply and demand, human psychology. We still have opportunity to get in this thing is my point, if and when it does pull back. Let's say we pull back as of today, as of the making of this video. Here's what I would like to look for here. What I'm going to do is go ahead and mark the range of the current high and low, and that puts us at about $2.81. So if we were to get back to that area for some reason after responding to all-time highs and taking that draw on liquidity, if we decide to somehow pull back and then we want to go higher, something like that, who knows what it looks like, completely speculating. I like that area, about $2.81 for potential buy, and that is XRP. So again, I'm going to be maybe doing these chart analyses. I want to see how this video performs. Let me know down below in the comments if you want me to cover some more crypto, or we can cover futures or stocks, whatever you guys like. I'll see you in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. Gang.